This motorhome is the Carthago C Compact Line i141LE. It's only 212 centimeters in width, 667 centimeters in length, and it comes with a German layout at the back. What's particularly interesting about this vehicle is also its weight, as well, of course, as its narrow width. Empty weight is less than 2,750 kilos, so that can offer a huge amount of payload for storage, such as the wardrobes under the bed, the lockers around, and of course in the deep double floor down here. This offers a large washroom with a large mirror, and the washroom has a false wall which will come across like that too, should you not want to get your toilet wet. At the other side we have got a fridge with a freezer and kitchen with 3 hobs and a deep sink. Under the kitchen unit we've got this rather elegant drawers and storage above it, and in here there's a coffee maker, which is part of the coffee package that Carthago now offers. We've got this table here which will move around, a large one at that, and the spare bed, or the second bed, above the vehicle. This one's on a 6-speed Fiat manual gearbox. At the back there's also a large garage as well. Now, I think this vehicle has a lot going for it. Very small size, and 667 by 212 centimeters, and double floor. And for my way of thinking, this is just the sort of thing that I really would like. You can even get the weight down even more by taking the option of aluminium wheels or hubs and lithium batteries. In fact, lithium batteries are something I suggest to everyone. Anyway, there's a far more detailed video on this vehicle, and you can have a look at that if you want to know more about it. I've tried to do this one in under 3 minutes and I've succeeded. Thank you.